So, tingnan yung mga kaibigan, no? Very nice the park. Wow. I love it. A lot of birds. You will see. You can see the surrounding. So. A lot of birds enjoying fly, insing. Saan na ba tayo? Kalkal is back. Kailangan natin tandaan, no? Tandaan natin yung mga bawat eksena na iskinita na dadaanan natin para hindi tayo maligaw. Oh no 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 no. So, ito yung kanilang name of this place, Slottsskogen. Ito yung area, guys. Nakita nyo tong map na to. Ito yung aming iikutin. At dito sa bundok na to, sa pinaka-tourist na to, dito tayo pupunta. Okay? See you. Sana sinubaybayan nyo yung aking what is this story. So ito mga friends, no? Isa ito sa ating pupuntahan ngayon. At this is the first one. Hindi po ito bahay, no? Ito ay ginawa. This is where building it made. So I will tour you here. This is the entrance. So I've been from there. And then we can look at around. See, this is big area also. Long time ago, this building is made by water. You know, all people they coming here and get water because they don't have supply. So it look like our country also. When I was young, I have I don't have full from water district. This is, you know, by made one by one. Baldi baldi, batcha batcha, galon galon. So you can come here and pick up the water. So mga kaibigan, ito no, pababa tayo no. Ito yung ating pangalawang inakyat. Tingnan nyo po. Sana wala kaming masalubong na leon at saka bear. Oh, di ba? Ito mo mga kaibigan, akyatin. Hay. Pababa na kami. May mga tao. Buti na lang. Hindi lang tayo ang naandito. Hingal na hingal. Very good. Nakapagod pero enjoy lang. Masarap yung hangin. Linis. Although akyatin siya, pero nakaka-enjoy.
Uminom ka na ba?
Hindi pa. Malapit na. Mga ilang meters na lang ba?
Kita ang bahay na yan.
Ayun, may bahay. So mga kaibigan, nandito na tayo ngayon, no? Narating na rin natin yung tinatawag na spot house. So ayan. So sana samahan niyo ako lagi sa aking mga vlog para naman ganahan ako mag-upload ng mga very interesting video dito sa amin. So, you know guys, see? Nakita niyo naman yung ating aakyatin, no? Talagang 1, 2, 3, 3rd floor. So para pag doon natin sa taas, makikita natin yung the whole munisipyo dito sa kabilang side. And then dun sa kabilang side naman, ay puro siya mountain, puro trees, a lot of trees, very green forest, everything here. So this year only, this is the only 1 year that they don't have snow here in Sweden, especially here in Gothenburg. You know, because when I arrived here, I remember that saw a lot of snow. It looked like this, almost 1 meter. So I stay at home and I don't go to my work. But this year, hopefully, I wish on next year. I hope next year they don't have snow again. It seems like this. Very nice. So that's why the trees is quickly to green leaves. So you can see, look around, and then take note, guys, no, when it's coming. So ito yun, no. Ito yung ilang bundok yung inakyat natin. So, samahan nyo po ako. Akyatin natin ng ano mayroon dito. Sabi nila, makikita mo daw yung view. Napaka nice daw ng view. Pwede na pala itong tulugan dito summer, sa ano? Summer na. Marami ng kababalaghang mangyayari dito. Wow! Nakarating din sa wakas. Mga kaibigan, no? Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko na ito.
Dito, bakit ka dito?
Lang. Yun. So, kahit yung araw hindi masyadong kagandahan, pero sulit naman. So, kailangan akyatin natin ang pangalawang hagdan. Pangalawa at dalas. Ayun. Ayun mga kaibigan. Nakikita nyo ba yung tulay na yan? Ayan po. So, ayan, pinagdugtong po yan ng Hisingen. Ano yan siya? Floronda. Pwede ho kayong dumaan dyan. At dyan po nandyan yung ating paggawaan ng langis. So, hindi pa masyadong itutak ng gusto. Isom ko lang siya, no? Kung kaya pa bang isom. So, if you want to pick up the fruits over here, around here only, so you can get free fruits like wild blueberry and lingon. So in this coming August, they have a special what is this, mushroom, so that you can get from here only. That's called this cantaril. So this is a very special mushroom. Only here in the forest you can see in the, you know, everywhere here. That's very special mushroom. So hope you enjoy my vlog today, and see you on my next